television is all about fun, entertainment, and clean fun. That is the basic when you come back home to watch television. If it is meaningful, fun, and entertainment, that's what television gives you. The biggest excitement of television is. With that in mind, we have a lot of these formats which we are now trying to bring into India. As of today, there are big formats like Idol, there are big formats like Got Talent, which is being very successfully run all over the world. We are bringing them into India and localizing to whatever extent is required, looking at the basic, keeping the basic formats intact and sensitizing to the Indian cultural requirements and making clean and fun television. We are a company who has been in existence since 1917, and it is our endeavor and effort to ideate, develop, and think about new things, go through all the rigors that is required to make a successful television, and make it travel across the world. Our specialty, at least at this point of time in India, is going to be non-fiction formats and bringing them in. For example, in Indian Idol, and I'm very happy to say that Indian Idol 5, the winner is from Hyderabad. He is now one of the biggest superstars of this country. And we reinvigorate these brands and bring in, for example, last year what we did was we introduced something called a Judges Lifeline. And the judges had the capability of calling back, amongst the first top 10, they could call back one of the contestants who, if he or she inadvertently gets out because of the voting system that we have in place. Now, we felt that is some change that is required internationally it was believed, we brought the same thing into India. So we incorporate all our international experiences, we bring in all the international expertise, technicalities that is required to be brought in, and we make fun and clean television. We have something called the Family Feud, which is actually running in 50 territories at this point of time. The second most travel brand that we have is obviously Idols, which has gone into 42 territories. Then we have a very new brand which was launched in 1998, which is called Take Me Out. It's a dating genre, and it's not necessarily trying to marry somebody with the other, but it's more about the first impression and how a boy meets a girl. And it's a very successful format. I think it's rolled out to about 15 territories so far, and it's one of the most successful brands that we have launched in 1998, and it's one of the most successful brands even in 2010.